या कुन्देन्दु तुषारहार धवला या शुभ्रवस्त्रावृता या वीणावरदण्डमण्डितकरा या श्वेतपद्मासना या ब्रह्माच्युतशङ्कर प्रभृतिभिः देवैः सदा वन्दिता सा मां पातु सरस्वत्यै भगवती निःशेषजाड्यापहा निःशेषजाड्यापहा. O goddess Saraswati, who is white like jasmine flowers, the moon and snow, who wears pure white garments, whose hands are decorated with the veena, who is seated on a white lotus, who is always worshipped by Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, may that goddess Saraswati protect me and remove all ignorance and dullness. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Ranjan Ki Pathshala in Odia. I am also uploading videos in English and Hindi. This video is especially on Sanskrit topics. I will start for the beginners who are learning Sanskrit, who are struggling for grammars, and who want to learn Sanskrit more and more. I have already uploaded so many videos, 240 plus videos I have already uploaded. Out of them, maybe 200 plus are Sanskrit videos only, which are based on basic grammars, translation, from Odia to English, English to Sanskrit, like that. You can learn there. You can check out my videos are there. So this video today's topic will be on the glory of Sanskrit. How Sanskrit is very beautiful. The language Sanskrit is very beautiful, and not only it is a grammar or topic based topic, but also our tradition, culture, so many Puranas, the Bhagavad Gita, the Bhagavatam, the Ramayana, all are written in Sanskrit only. We should understand that. So first, I have just now I recited one song, sloka you can say, about Mother Saraswati, the goddess of knowledge. Ya kundendu tusara hara dhavala. Kunda means jasmine, Indu means the moon, Tusara means snow, Hara means garland. Who wears the garland, white garland of jasmine? Ya Subhravasta Bhuta, I mean, whose dress, sari, you can say, in our Hindu culture, is pure white. Okay. Ya Bina Baradanda Mandita Kara. Kara means hand, whose hand is holding Bina. Bina means the musical instrument. Ya Sweta Padmasana. I mean, who is sitting on white lotus. Sweta means white. Padma Asana. Okay. Ya Brahma Achyuta Sankara Prabhrutivihi. That means Brahma Achyuta Sankara Prabhuti. Prabhuti means different gods like Brahma, Achyuta, Sankara. They are worshipping Mother Goddess. Samam Patu Saraswati Bhagavati Nishesa Jadyapaha. I am worshipping that mother to remove all the ignorance and dullness from my mind. Okay, so let us start the topic from by worshipping Lord Mother, the knowledge, the Saraswati Ma. Now Sanskruti Gyeya. संस्कृतं संस्कृतिः ज्ञेया संस्कृतं ज्ञानसागरः संस्कृतं भारतस्य आत्मा संस्कृतं paramam dhanam. I have written the meaning here also. Sanskrit is culture itself. Sanskrit is an ocean of knowledge. Sanskrit is the soul of India. Sanskrit is the greatest treasure, and we should hold that treasure with us, because not only it is a topic, it is our tradition, and the culture is hidden inside the tradition. We should follow our culture. We should know our culture. Okay. If I'm coming to this slide, I've written some sentences about Sanskrit as I'm praising the language Sanskrit here. Sanskritam ativa prachina bhasha asti. That means Sanskrit is a very ancient language. Prachina bhasha. Okay. So I'm annotating here also. सो दिस सेंटेंस संस्कृतम अतीव प्राचीन भाषा अस्ति आई मीन वेरी ये बहुत पुराना लैंग्वेज है वेरी एंशियंट लैंग्वेज संस्कृतम भारतीय संस्कृते आत्मा अस्ति संस्कृतम दैट मीन्स संस्कृत भारतीय संस्कृते भारत का जो संस्कृति है संस्कृते आत्मा अस्ति संस्कृत इज द सोल ऑफ इंडियन कल्चर प्रतिदिनं 10 मिनिट् पर्यन्तम् अभ्यासः पर्याप्तः अस्ति if you practice 10 minutes every day it is enough for us to understand Sanskrit that is the meaning here practicing for 10 minutes daily is enough शनैः शनैः संस्कृतं सरलं भवति शनैः शनैः means slowly Sanskrit becomes easy if you practice 10 minutes every day definitely Sanskrit will be very easy for us to understand not only to understand but also to chant Sanskrit verses slokas it will be very easy for us संस्कृत संस्कृत अध्ययनेन दैट मीन्स यहाँ पर संधि हुआ है संस्कृताध्ययनेन स्मरण शक्ति ही वर्धते इफ यू practice Sanskrit daily if you understand Sanskrit daily the memory power will be increased that means learning Sanskrit improves memory संस्कृतं पठतु संस्कृतं वदतु read Sanskrit speak Sanskrit if you check my videos in Sanskrit, I have already mentioned so many videos. Basic grammars, basic lakaras, sabdarupa, dhaturupa, everything is mentioned there, and I will come to that step also slowly for the beginners because I am starting this series for them. So this is the initial day, and this is the first day for them. If I am going to the another slide, basic greetings. Today we will learn up to this basic greetings. Namaste in English, hello. संस्कृत में क्या होगा नमस्ते हाउ आर यू अगर मैं किसी को बोलता हूँ आप कैसे हैं हाउ आर यू सो इट विल बी इन संस्कृत कथम अस्ति और केनो अस्ति केनो ऑल्सो मैं यूज कर सकता हूँ कथम अस्ति भवान कथम अस्ति दैट मीन्स देखो यहाँ पर भवान मतलब एक मेल पर्सन को मैं संबोधित कर रहा हूँ आप कैसे हैं हाउ आर यू इफ आई एम आस्किंग टू ए मेल पर्सन masculine gender I have to use bhavan okay if I am using bhavati that means the gender will be female तो भवती कथम अस्ति दैट मीन्स हाउ आर यू बट आई एम आस्किंग टू ए फीमेल अगर मैं पूछ रहा हूँ भवान कथम अस्ति आई एम आस्किंग टू ए मेल भवान मीन्स मेल पर्सन भवती मीन्स फीमेल अहम कुशली अस्ति आई एम फाइन अहम कुशली अस्मि अस्मि मीन्स तो अहम के पास अस्मि यूज होगा तो according to the subject verb will be used so here subject is aham asmi will be the appropriate answer so these are the basic greetings and another slide I am taking here dhanyavadah in English thank you in Sanskrit it will be dhanyavadah suprabhatam in English it will be good morning Sanskrit में क्या होगा सुप्रभातम and शुभरात्रि good night शुभरात्रि क्या होगा good night see you again क्या होगा पुनः मिलामः see you again और बाद में मिलेंगे और फिर मिलेंगे तो क्या होगा पुनः मिलामः तो आज मैं इतना तक मैं वीडियो में रख रहा हूँ इफ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो just comment me how do you like this video or if you want more topics on Sanskrit like that I will definitely bring for all of you so I will upload many videos this is the first video tomorrow I will upload another video it will be on Sanskrit alphabets basic sentences small sentences so definitely I will bring for all of you thank you so much thanks for watching this video